How to fix iPhone SIM card not working. Let's get started. If you're getting the pop-ups such as no service, no SIM card, invalid SIM, stock unsearching, you can apply these solutions to fix this issue. So the very first thing you want to do is eject your SIM card, wait for a few minutes and then again reinsert it and check whether your problem has been solved or not. Likewise, heading to a next solution, open your settings, scroll down, open this option General. Now scroll down, open this option Transfer or Reset iPhone. Click on Reset. Click on Reset Network Settings. Now enter your passcode over here and continue with the process to reset network settings. Once you complete this process, you can check whether your problem has been solved or not. Likewise, heading towards last solution, you can first restart your device. For that, you have to press and quick release the volume up button, press and quick release the volume down button, press and hold the side button. When the Apple logo appears, release the side button. Following all these solutions, your problem will be fixed. So this is how you can fix iPhone SIM card not working. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.